Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, about 45 honorable members of this house have participated so far in the debate. I am happy a great importance is being attached by the honorable members of this house to the subject of agriculture and irrigation, which is the very basis of our economy. Last year was really a very difficult year for our country. All of us have experienced the stresses and strains through which the food and agriculture economy passed. The reasons were many, but I think the natural disasters and the energy crisis were the two important contributory factors which added to our difficulty. As a result of this, some of the honorable members of this house very eloquently spoke on a number of issues. They were trying to draw an inference that the agricultural production of the food production is going down in this country because of the failure of the government policy. I would very humbly like to make this submission. Of course, I am not making a claim that everything is all right with government policies. After all, in a vast country like India, there may be weaknesses in administration, in implementation, etc. But my own honest and personal assessment is that this country's direction as far as agriculture and food policies are concerned is very much in the right direction, and that is why we are making a very substantial progress, though during the last 3 years, because of the setback on account of some natural calamities, a general impression has been created by interested agencies, and perhaps because of their not being a proper understanding by some of our colleagues that something is wrong. I would like to submit a few facts, and the Honorable House may judge whether what I am saying is right or wrong. Unfortunately, in this country, still we depend very much on nature for our crops. I will give some statistics to show how the major crops of ours are still dependent on rains. Now take wheat, which is a very important crop in our economy. Now in wheat, the irrigated acreage is 54%, which is the highest. In rice, it is 39%, and in the rest of the crops, it is very low. Naturally, whenever there is an uneven distribution of rainfall or a failure of rainfall, our crops get affected during the whole year or so. Full stop.